A stone path winds through lush ferns and hydrangeas toward a charming house with white walls and a brown roof. Natural light highlights the serene, inviting garden entrance. Warm interior lights glow through the windows of this elegant two-story home. A black door, wooden pergola, and manicured shrubs create a welcoming, sophisticated atmosphere. This picturesque front yard features a stone walkway lined with vibrant floral planters. The white siding and dark roof contrast beautifully with the lush green lawn and trees. Blue and pink hydrangeas frame a striking black door beneath a lighted wooden pergola. Stone steps and wrought iron gates lead the way into this bright, airy white residence. This charming thatched roof cottage sits nestled in a vibrant, lush garden. Cream armchairs on the manicured lawn offer a perfect spot for relaxation in the serene daylight. This rustic patio features a wooden table, wicker chairs, and glowing lanterns. A patterned couch against the brick wall provides a cozy retreat surrounded by potted greenery. A peaceful thatched cottage with white walls stands amidst a neatly trimmed garden. Wicker chairs on the lawn and a stone path create a harmonious blend of home and nature. A cobblestone path flanked by white picket fences leads to a classic two-story house. Black-framed windows and a black door stand out against the clean, white architecture. Sun-drenched hydrangeas and ferns line a stone pathway bordered by black metal fences. The vibrant colors of the blooms create a bright, cheerful approach to the home's entry. Large black planters filled with flowers flank a wooden door, marking a grand entrance. A light stone walkway and neatly trimmed hedges offer a polished, symmetrical look. Arched windows overlook a well-maintained garden enclosed by a black metal fence. Wall-mounted lamps illuminate the lush shrubs and pebble-edged lawn for a refined aesthetic. This inviting brick patio features a round dining set and cozy built-in benches. Hanging lanterns and lush potted trees create a relaxed atmosphere for outdoor entertaining. A pristine walkway, bordered by black fences and trimmed bushes, leads to a white house with stately columns. The sunlit scene emphasizes the home's classic curb appeal. A black wrought iron gate opens to a beautifully landscaped entrance with white columns. Neatly trimmed shrubs and wall-mounted lamps enhance the home's well-kept appearance. This white two-story home features a gray shingled roof and dormer windows. A brick path and white picket fence enclose a manicured lawn, creating a timeless, cozy suburbia.